XPeng Aero HT flying car. The XPeng Aero HT VTOL flying car is a revolutionary concept that merges automotive design with vertical flight technology. This two-passenger vehicle supports piloted, remote, or autonomous operation, offering flexibility for both air and ground travel. Equipped with 8 concealed electric motors and propellers, powered by lithium-ion batteries, the Aero HT emphasizes efficiency and performance. Its carbon fiber composite fuselage ensures durability and lightness, while transparent car-like windows and road-ready tires preserve its automotive aesthetic. Safety is paramount, with distributed electric propulsion providing system redundancy to protect passengers in case of motor or propeller failures. While its air and ground speeds remain undisclosed, the XPeng Aero HT represents a bold leap in electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL technology, highlighting the exciting possibilities for future urban mobility. CycloTech CruiseUp. The CycloTech CruiseUp is an innovative two-passenger electric vertical air vehicle featuring advanced cycle rotor technology. Measuring 6.7 meters in length and 3.3 meters in width, it is only 50% larger than a typical car, making it ideal for urban travel. The CruiseUp reaches a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour with a range of 100 kilometers, perfect for urban and suburban mobility. Its 6 cycle rotors provide 360-degree thrust vectoring, enabling sideways and backward flight, mid-air braking, and precise hovering without tilting or banking. An encapsulated rotor design enhances safety, protecting both passengers and surroundings. The redundant rotor system ensures safe flight and landing even in case of failure. With its advanced design, the CruiseUp offers a smooth, efficient, and futuristic travel experience, making it a key player in the future of personal air mobility. Jetson One. The Jetson One is a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for personal aerial mobility. Weighing approximately 115 kilograms, 253 pounds including the battery, it features a race car-inspired safety cell and a high-performance aluminum space frame. Powered by 8 high-discharge lithium-ion batteries, the aircraft delivers a total power output of 88 kilowatts, 102 horsepower. It offers a flight time of around 20 minutes and a top speed electronically limited to 102 kilometers per hour, 63 miles per hour. The Jetson One is controlled via a 3-axis joystick and throttle lever, ensuring intuitive operation. It can sustain flight even with the loss of one motor. Safety features include a ballistic parachute for rapid deployment, LiDAR sensors for terrain tracking and obstacle avoidance, and hands-free hover capabilities. Priced at $92,000, deliveries are expected in 2024. Bellwether Volar. The Bellwether Volar is an innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for urban air mobility. The latest ORX model features a compact, wingless lifting body design with a hidden propulsion system, optimizing it for city environments. Accommodating up to 3 occupants, it measures 3,700 millimeters in length, 6,300 millimeters in width, and 1,900 millimeters in height. The aircraft is powered by 4 electric motors and ducted fans, providing a flight time of 60 to 90 minutes. It can reach speeds of 220 kilometers per hour, 135 miles per hour, and ascend to 3,000 feet, 914 meters. With a maximum takeoff weight of 600 kilograms, 1,323 pounds, the carbon fiber composite fuselage enhances durability. Safety is ensured through distributed electric propulsion, offering redundancy in the propulsion system. The V-tail design and cockpit canopy further enhance aerodynamics and passenger protection. SkyDrive SD-05. The SkyDrive SD-05 is a 2-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for urban air mobility. Measuring 9.4 meters in length, 9.4 meters in width, and 2.7 meters in height, it has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,100 kilograms. The SD-05 is powered by 12 motor propeller units, enabling a maximum cruise speed of 100 km per hour and a flight range of up to 10 km per charge. It features a compact design with horizontal and vertical tails for enhanced stability. The aircraft is equipped with a computer-controlled flight system to assist the pilot. SkyDrive aims to launch air taxi services using the SD-05 during the 2025 World Expo in Osaka, Japan. Aska A5. The Aska A5 is a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that seamlessly transitions between road driving and aerial flight. Designed as a four-seater, it measures approximately 4.8 meters in length, 2.0 meters in width, and 1.6 meters in height, with a maximum takeoff weight of 1,500 kilograms. Equipped with 12 electric motors, the A5 achieves a top speed of 240 kilometers per hour, 150 miles per hour, and offers a flight range of up to 250 meters, 42 kilometers, on a single charge. Its hybrid powertrain includes a gas range extender, enhancing its operational flexibility. The A5 is capable of both vertical and short takeoffs and landings, making it adaptable to various environments. Notably, it has received FAA Special Airworthiness certification, marking a significant milestone in its development. As of August 2023, the Aska A5 has successfully completed its first test flight, bringing it closer to commercial availability. This innovative vehicle represents a significant advancement in urban air mobility, offering a versatile solution for future transportation needs. PALV Liberty. The PALV Liberty is a pioneering vehicle that seamlessly transitions between road driving and aerial flight, combining the functionalities of a three-wheeled car and an autogyro. In driving mode, it measures 4 meters in length, 2 meters in width, and 1.7 meters in height, with a maximum takeoff weight of 910 kilograms. It is powered by a 100 horsepower engine, enabling a top speed of 170 kilometers per hour and acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 9 seconds. The Liberty offers a driving range of approximately 1,300 kilometers. In flight mode, the vehicle extends to 6.1 meters in length, 2 meters in width, and 3.2 meters in height, with a rotor diameter of 10.75 meters. It is equipped with a 200 horsepower engine, achieving a maximum speed of 180 kilometers per hour and a range of 400 to 500 kilometers. The Liberty requires a takeoff distance of 180 meters and a landing roll distance of 30 meters, operating at a maximum altitude of 3,500 meters. The vehicle utilizes Euro 95, Euro 98, or E10 fuel, with a fuel capacity of 100 liters. The PALV Liberty is available in 2 editions, the Sport and the Limited Edition Pioneer, with prices starting at €300,000 for the Sport model. As of August 2024, the first deliveries are anticipated in 2026. Terrafugia TF-X. The Terrafugia TF-X is an innovative 4-seat flying car under development by Terrafugia, designed to revolutionize personal transportation. It features a plug-in hybrid powertrain combining a 300 horsepower engine with 2 600 horsepower electric motors, enabling vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. In flight mode, the TF-X is projected to achieve a cruising speed of 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour, and a range of 500 miles, 805 kilometers, without the need to refuel or recharge. On the road, specific speed and range details are currently unspecified. The vehicle is designed to fit within a standard car garage, with retractable wings and a ducted fan at the rear for propulsion. Safety features include autonomous navigation to pre-specified landing zones, manual control options, and a backup full vehicle parachute system. Pricing is anticipated to start at approximately $300,000. Bell Nexus 4X. The Bell Nexus 4EX is an innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for urban air mobility. It features 4 tilting ducted fans, providing vertical lift and horizontal thrust. The aircraft is designed to carry 4 to 5 passengers, including luggage, with a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 3,175 kilograms, 7,000 pounds. It is powered by an all-electric propulsion system, enabling a cruise speed of about 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour, and a range of up to 60 miles, 97 kilometers. The Nexus 4X is designed for autonomous operation, reducing the need for a pilot. Safety features include redundant systems and a robust airframe. Bell unveiled the Nexus 4X at the Consumer Electronics Show CES in Las Vegas in January 2020, showcasing its commitment to advancing urban air mobility solutions. XPeng X2. The XPeng X2 is a two-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by XPeng AOHHT, a subsidiary of the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer XPeng Motors, designed for urban air mobility. The X2 features a carbon fiber teardrop-shaped design, enhancing aerodynamic performance. It is equipped with 8 propellers, 2 at each corner, providing lift and propulsion. The aircraft measures 5,172 millimeters in length, 5,124 millimeters in width, and 1,362 millimeters in height, with a curb weight of 680 kilograms and a maximum payload capacity of 160 kilograms. The X2 is powered by a 300 kilowatt-hour battery, offering a flight range of approximately 75 kilometers, about 30 minutes, and a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour. It features autonomous flight path planning capabilities, utilizing multiple sensors for ground monitoring, self-return to land, and two-way real-time communication over distances exceeding 100 kilometers. The X2 has completed public flight demonstrations, including a notable event in Dubai in October 2022. As of June 2024, the XPeng X2 is available for pre-order in Australia at a price of $200,000.